Hi guys, good afternoon, and today is 11th of August. I'm still at Hyderabad, and today I'm going to Nagpur. And Nagpur, maybe I spend around few hours, maybe half a day. Then I'll move to Varanasi. Okay. So today I'm gonna show to you. I'm going to one supermarket. I'll show to you how's a supermarket in India. Okay. So this one all like Indian brand mostly. So Tata Indian brand, all Indian brand. Okay guys, this is the street at Hyderabad. No, not Hyderabad, Begumpet, near to metro. So that is a supermarket, and I just want to go and buy this water bottle. This 1 liter water bottle is 20 rupees. And yeah, there's another things I want to tell to you that the food at Hyderabad is so spicy. I couldn't take it. Whenever I eat it, I feel like vomiting. It's not because clean or it's smelly or something. It's not that. It is just my stomach couldn't take it, guys. I don't eat that much of spicy. And yeah, I'm here at a place called Retiring Room at railway station at Gondia. So this is the retiring room. You can book it. Let me show you first. It has everything, guys. Like this is my bed. This is my bed. I'm preparing for the train. Train is 9:30. Now is 7:30. I have to check out at 8 o'clock, so they only give me 12 hours, 8 to 8, so just 8 to 8, but I check in a bit late, 2 o'clock in the evening, because my train arrived 2 o'clock. So it's just easy to book this room. You just need your PNR, means a confirmed ticket, and just go to the counter, or you can do it online through the website. It's just cost me 150 for 12 hours. It has aircon, fan, and a decent bed and pillow, and also washroom, toilet, everything with heater. It's clean. It's nothing to expect great when you are paying for 150. So it's just a decent room, nice room with aircon. And yeah, this water bottle at the railway station, it just costs 15 rupees. It's very cheap, right? 1 liter. Today I'm taking second class because it is a very long journey. It's 22 hours to Varanasi. Super long. I will reach tomorrow 7:30 PM. Okay, now is 7:30 PM. Tomorrow I will reach tomorrow 7:30 PM. Okay, I'm done with south. Okay, I'm done with south central. I'm going north. Okay, see you there. Bye bye. This is the engine, my train engine, P5, Web 5, electric train. See, electric locomotive. It has second AC, third AC, and sleeper class and sitting class. What is the name? My name. Baduri. Okay. So I'm having Baduri. The whole name is Baduri, right?
Chole Baduri.
Chole Baduri.
Yes.
Okay. Punjabi food.
Yeah.
So sister bought for me. Oh, like puri.
Yeah, puri.
Okay.
Curry and kimchi.
Kimchi. Kimchi.
Yeah.
The kimchi and curry.
Pickle.
What curry is it?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas curry. Nice. Maybe I'll try this with this one. Good. Not spicy,
Yeah.
just nice. Very nice. Check it out, guys. It's so wonderful to travel in Indian Railway. I mean, lot of people and lot of clubs, lot of Anbula, lot of Pasam. Very nice guys, very nice people. So I will reach Varanasi at my train is delayed. I will reach Varanasi around 12 o'clock a.m. I don't know why this train, it goes fast, then stop. Then go fast, then stop. Go fast, then stop. I don't know why. I really don't want to take this train again. This train name is, you also don't take. This train name is Gondia Baruni Express.